Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve project collaboration with Microsoft Teams. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams on your device. Sign in with your work or school account. Navigate to your desired team from the sidebar. Select the channel where you want to collaborate. Click on the Meet button to start a video call. Invite team members to join the meeting. Share your screen by clicking on the Share button. Choose the specific window or desktop you want to present. Utilize the chat feature on the right side for real-time messaging. Post questions or updates in the channel to keep everyone informed. Create a new tab for file sharing by clicking the plus icon. Select the type of tab you want to create, such as a planner or OneNote. Upload relevant documents to the Files tab for easy access. Use the task feature to assign responsibilities to team members. Encourage feedback by using the reaction feature during video calls. Record your meetings for team members who couldn't attend. After the meeting, recap key points in the channel conversation. Monitor progress on tasks using the planner integration. Regularly check in with the team to maintain open communication. Utilize mentions to draw attention to important messages. Explore third-party app integrations to enhance teamwork. Experiment with different features to find what works best for your team. Take notes during meetings using the built-in OneNote feature. Promote a culture of collaboration by being responsive and engaging. Celebrate team milestones to boost morale and motivation. Encourage team members to share their ideas and feedback regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.